medal, chasing a mammoth target of 223. Punjab Deshmukh need 223 in 20 overs. Mumbai Heroes versus Punjab Deshmukh. After Mumbai Heroes winning the toss, electing to bat, Riteish Deshmukh looked the decision to be correct. Shabir Ahluwalia didn't prove his captain wrong. And finally, some poor fielding and bowling led to the total of 223. It's pretty gettable at the Chinnaswamy. We have seen here big totals being chased in the IPL as well as even in the Celebrity Cricket League earlier. So 223 is the first outing in CCL for the Punjab team. Will they be able to give a chase? Riteish Deshmukh, a little bit of a ponytail, might be getting ready for another role. So Riteish Deshmukh setting his field. Punjab, two openers for Punjab as they take guard. Gulzar Chahal, right hand, got the first wicket, has got a lot of cricket behind him. So a lot would depend on Gulzar, how he would play well. And joining him is Navraj Hans. So they need to get a good partnership. Don't worry about the run rate in the beginning. Hang on there for about 4 to 5 overs. Get about 7 to 8 runs. Don't go for the big shots. That's the very simple thumb rule. Easier said than done. But Riteish Deshmukh, who's got tremendous experience in the CCL, can pick up early wickets. Did open the batting and now open the bowling. Riteish Deshmukh. 223 required in 20 overs. Field set in, the fielding restrictions in the first 6 overs in place. And Gulzar waits for the first ball to be delivered. Joining me once again in the commentary box, Ritinda, all set to go for it. But then whether the expectations of Punjab fans will be met or not, a couple of overs will say. It's a good start for Riteish.
आसान नहीं होगा बिल्कुल भी पंजाब के लिए. एक लंबा टोटल यहाँ पर.
Riteish Deshmukh. Good ploy for Riteish. Must be concentrating high on his cricket because he opened the batting and now he's opening the bowling, which means a lot of practice must have gone in. Wicket to wicket delivery. Stick to the basics. Don't try too much. And Riteish, the first two deliveries signaling that it will not be an easy task for Punjab to chase 2-2-2.
जी हाँ, एक अच्छा स्टार्ट. रितेश जानते हैं कि विकेट टू विकेट बॉलिंग करना कितना जरूरी होता है 2020 क्रिकेट में, और बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग की शुरुआत.
Dicey shot. Bowled him! What a start! Riteish Deshmukh wants applause from his teammates, and why not? Wicket to wicket, stick to basics. If your fundamentals are right, God will reward you.
Rightly said. वही हुआ जो पंजाब बिल्कुल नहीं चाहती थी. गुलजार चहल जो खुद बहुत अच्छी श्रेणी की क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं, आज थोड़े भाग्य ने उनका साथ दिया. ये देखिए थोड़ा क्रॉस द लाइन खेल गए. बहुत जरूरी होता है क्रिकेट में आप सीधे बल्ले से खेले, लेकिन यहाँ पर शायद भाग्य ने गुलजार का साथ नहीं दिया. लेकिन रितेश देशमुख बहुत ही खुश होंगे. ऐसे स्टार्ट की जरूरत थी मुंबई को.
The support, Zareen Khan, Dicey Shah, everyone pretty happy, and why not? So Gulzar gone without a run, not troubling the scorers at all. And Punjab, none for one.